it was all I hate, you know, hopefully I will not be you guys, you better think again. Empty vessels makes the most noise. Like to say, think again. It makes your relationship go deeper. Instead of just get out, I just have to get out more. And all that, no. Jesus, oh yeah, when you go back home, when you go back to where you come from, look how happy God and Mama made you go. They together when you are in the side. The hour in love. Oh, I go here, not a day over. They go to the Papa here, and you know Papa here, the Palapuan family, you know, young people, God, I commitment no, let's come back to the Lord. Let's come back to and let us sail on the sea of Israel. That's not an excuse. But I'm saying again, to the young people, I hope for each and every one of you that are not for more of all care. Now, look at what I can do. I thought you don't know me. They talk about Constitution, both the government, in the age, because I don't know we are young people with our dreams. So glad and so blessed and so mad and all the noise and all this. But remember, I have the apple in love. The two let us sail on the sea of Israel.